In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the Office 365 overview. Office 365 is very flexible, so whether you're at home or traveling, working, doing different projects, Office 365 can be used whether on your desktop or your mobile device. So essentially from anywhere and from any device. It has built-in security, so you can restrict physical data center access, for example, provides data encryption. Data is regularly backed up, especially if you're using the cloud version. You don't have to worry about backing up your data. And data is hosted in regions. So for example, if you are in the European region, then your data will be backed up within the data center located in that region specifically. Also provides data redundancy and compliance standards for service level agreements. We can install Office on your PC or Mac, and the Office suite contains Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Access, Publisher, Outlook, Lync, InfoPath, and OneDrive for Business. And this depends on the plan that you purchase. Also, some of these options may be limited in certain other plans. So the Exchange server and SharePoint server are integrated within the Office 365 dashboard. So if you were to, let's say, take a look at the Office 365 E3 plan, and there are various plans available that you can take a look at and evaluate. But the Office E3 plan includes Exchange and SharePoint server, and these are necessary especially when you're involved in an eDiscovery environment, because you would need SharePoint and Exchange to place in-place holds on mailboxes, for example, or create your eDiscovery center in SharePoint. OneDrive for Business is also integrated, provides you 1 terabyte of individual storage data. It's essentially one place to save all your work documents. You can share, collaborate, and contribute. Free trials are available. You can select Business, Business Premium, or the Enterprise E3 plan. So it just depends on your own requirement, what it is that you would like to accomplish, so that you can purchase accordingly. So you don't have to necessarily pay extra for the things that you do not wish to use. For the purpose of this course, we'll be using the Office 365 Enterprise E3 plan, which includes SharePoint and Exchange, so that we can work with our eDiscovery centers. And I believe the cost is very minimal, something like $20 a month you pay as a subscription fee, and you not only get SharePoint Exchange, but you get the entire Office suite and other software as well. Here's how you would log into your online portal. You will simply navigate to Microsoft Online, and it will prompt you for your username and password. Once you enter, you click sign in, and this will take you to your Office 365 dashboard. So once you are in the dashboard, you can click on the top left corner. This will launch the apps. So for example, your mail app, calendar, people, OneDrive, sites, tasks, Delve, video, and your entire Office suite, for instance, is also available as part of your Office 365 Admin Center. So in this demo, I'm logged on to the Microsoft Online portal, and my Office 365 Admin Center is displayed. So from within this dashboard, I can navigate from the left navigation panel here and set up users, for example. I can set up my company profile and so forth. So each of these categories allow you to manage your Office environment. The admin, for example, category contains your Exchange server, Skype for Business, SharePoint, Compliance, Azure AD, and Bing Places for Business. So your admin tools contains your SharePoint and Exchange and Compliance, and this is the area essentially that throughout this course we'll be taking a look at as far as our eDiscovery Center and creating new cases and placing holds and so forth is concerned. And if I scroll up, click on my dashboard once again, I'll be navigated back to my dashboard here. On the top left here, when I click on this icon, it brings up my apps such as Mail, Calendar, People, OneDrive, my SharePoint, Sites, Tasks, Delve, Video, my entire Office suite such as Word Online, Excel and PowerPoint Online, OneNote Online, Microsoft Sway, and then my admin app, and finally the Office 365 store. So through these apps, I can navigate to each one of these areas by simply clicking on this app. For example, if I were to check my email, I'd click on the Mail app. I would click on the Mail app. If I click on the Calendar app, it will take me to my calendar. So Office 365 dashboard is a centralized environment where you can manage everything from one place for your entire organization. So I hope this helps. Let's move to our next lesson.